Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix verification failed. This Apple ID is not active. So for this purpose, first you need to open Settings app on your mobile device. Then here at the top, you have your name or this Apple account option. You simply need to click on it. Once you click on it, then this type of page will appear. Here you can see the option of sign in and security. Click on it. Then sign in and security page will appear on your screen. Here in security, you have the option of change password. You simply need to click on it. If you forget your password or there's something issue with your password, then what you need to do, go to Google. And here in the search bar, you simply need to search for iforgot.apple.com. Then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here you have this option reset password. You simply need to click on it. Then this type of page will pop up on your screen. Here you have to tap on reset my password option. Once you click on this option, then wait for 2 to 3 seconds. Then for opening next page and doing next step, it must require Face ID. So from here, you can reset your password. If this isn't work, then what you need to do in Google, in the search bar, you need to search for support.apple.com. Then this type of page will appear. Here you need to enter your problem or your question, and then Apple will help you properly. So this way you can fix verification failed. This Apple ID is not active. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.